Now let us do another problem on the concept of work done. Find the work done by the force field f of xy is equal to x square minus y square I plus xj in moving a particle along the curve C given by x is equal to t power 2 by 3, y is equal to t, where t varies from minus 1 to 1. So this is another problem of work done here. Just like the first problem, the r of t, the equation for that particular parametric curve, it is directly given because the components x and y are given explicitly. So we can write r of t. R of t is in fact x of t I plus y of t j. X as a function of t and y as a function of t. Writing it as x of t I plus y of t j. So this is equal to t power 2 by 3 I plus t j, where t varies from minus 1 to 1. That is r of t. What is the expression for f of x of t y of t? F written in terms of t. This is equal to in fact x square minus y square, that is x of t whole square minus y of t whole square I. X of t whole square is t power 2 by 3 whole square minus y square. Y square is t square I plus x into j. X is t power 2 by 3 j. So this is equal to, what is t power 2 by 3 the whole square? T power 2 by 3 whole square is t raised to t power 4 by 3 minus t square I plus t power 2 by 3 j. Now computing r dash of t. R dash of t is equal to, r dash of t is given by the derivative of r of t. First of all, derivative of t power 2 by 3. Derivative of t power n is n into t power n minus 1. So t power 2 by 3, its derivative will be 2 by 3 t raised to 2 by 3 minus 1. 2 by 3 minus 1 is minus 1 by 3 I plus derivative of t, it is 1, so j. Now taking the dot product, f of x of t y of t dot r dash of t, this is equal to, multiplying the corresponding terms of I and j, we will be getting t power 4 by 3 minus t square is the first term in f, multiplied by 2 by 3 t power 2 by 3 t power minus 1 by 3 plus the second jth component is t power 2 by 3 multiplied by 1. So this is f dot r dash of t. So our work done is given by, work done is equal to, expression is line integral over c f dot dr. This is actually computed by the formula integral t varies from minus 1 to 1 f dot dr, that is f dot r dash of t dt. That is f dot r dash of t is given by t power 4 by 3 minus t square into 2 by 3 t raised to minus 1 by 3, and splitting this into two integrals, plus integral minus 1 to 1 t power 2 by 3 dt. So the first integral is integral minus 1 to 1 t power, I am taking the 2 by 3 outside, this is 2 by 3 t power 4 by 3 into t power minus 1 by 3. So t power 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, it is t power 3 by 3, that is t minus t square into t raised to minus 1 by 3. T square means it is t raised to 6 by 3. T raised to 6 by 3 minus 1 by 3. That is t raised to 5 by 3. T raised to 5 by 3 dt plus the second integral is integral minus 1 to 1 t raised to 2 by 3 dt. So this is equal to 2 by 3 into integrand of t. If we integrate t, we will be getting t square by 2 minus t raised to 5 by 3. T raised to n is t raised to integral of t raised to n is t raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. So t raised to 5 by 3 plus 1 by 5 by 3 plus 1, that is t raised to 8 by 3 by 8 by 3 between the limits minus 1 to 1 plus t raised to 2 by 3. If we integrate t raised to 2 by 3, we will be getting t raised to 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 between the limits minus 1 and 1. So this is equal to 2 by 3. Giving the upper limit 1, it will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 8 by 3 minus, now substituting the lower limit, it is minus 1 whole square by 2 minus 1 whole raised to 8 by 3 by 8 by 3 plus, next is 5 by 3, I am reciprocating it. So 3 by 5 into t raised to 5 by 3, substituting the upper limit 1, we will be getting 1 raised to 5 by 3 is 1 minus 1 power 5 by 3. This is equal to 2 by 3 into 1 by 2 minus 3 by 8 minus 1 whole square by 2, it is again 1 by 2 minus 1 whole raised to 8 by 3, it is 1 by 3 by 8, that is again 3 by 8 plus 3 by 5 into 1 minus 1. So altogether what we will be getting is this 1 by 2 and this 1 by 2 get cancelled. This is minus 3 by 8 minus 3 by 8. It also get cancelled. Here there is a small mistake. This is 3. So this term, this first term will be equal to, this will be equal to 0, but the second term, it is 3 by 5 into 1 minus 1 whole raised to 5 by 3. So it will be in fact 1 minus 1, that is this will be 1 plus 1. So what we will be getting is 3 by 5 into 2. It will be 6 by 5. The first term will be 0 and the second term will be contributing to this particular 6 by 5. So the work done in this particular, work done by this particular force field along the given curve will be equal to 6 by 5.